Presenting a pre-owned 2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. This 4-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 4-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Jeep has less than 127,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, power door locks, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.